Hello everybody, welcome to a unboxing video. So we're going to be doing a unboxing video of a solid state drive. So after intro or our rendition, we may unbox the solid state drive right there. So let's begin unboxing. Alright people, so we are going to open the box. So we pull the tab. It's in the okay, it's in the tray. Okay. And let's peel the sticker or tear the sticker off. Let's take a look at this real quick. Oh, so nothing too interesting in the package. Unlike the A-Day that I had for my custom Belkin meal, was it had manuals and a adapter piece that you could do, but this one doesn't have no adapter or instruction or software with this. So if you're going to do some cloning, you do have to supply your own cloning software with this solid state drive. So you may want to consider. But if you're doing a fresh install, if you got a copy of Windows on a disk for you people, this is where you probably don't need the cloning software, which that's what we do. And intent, this is going to go into my laptop. So this is going to be good. So nothing too fancy about it. Very basic stuff. So this is like a 128 gig SSD. So made by SanDisk, as you can see. But after I'm done talking, you may see some close-up shots, some panning shot of this SSD. So, as you can see, not very much in the box with this particular drive. So, the model name is the Z400S. So, but like I said, this is it. So I will catch you next time, people. Feel free to subscribe or Google us, which will work for you. Feel free to give the video a thumbs up, and feel free to comment on the video if you like this. Feel free to visit the link below the video. So do click on show me more so you can see the rest of the link. So we got a channel email address, Amazon wish list, and I'm part of a couple of tech tip forums online, so you can say hi or what. So, get you on.